As my tour down south was slowly coming to an end, I felt like I could finally slow down a little more. My next destination wasn't so far away, even if I still wasn't completely sure where I was going. So I took a quiet moment just watching life pass by here in the small town of Chumphon, as the locals open up their shops and prepare for another day. Honestly, I could have stayed there all day, just people watching, falling in love with the calm rhythm of life and the warmth of the people around me. But eventually it was time to head north and follow the coastal road towards Ban Krut, a route many people say is one of the most beautiful roads to ride on a motorcycle in Thailand. And after seeing it for myself, they really weren't exaggerating. Our guy has a broken leg. Looks very good. No, it's okay, thank you. Khopon kap. Thank you. Salty buttery on the outside, creamy vanilla on the inside. Really nice. Nice cozy family bakery. This is life. Just cruising around, seeing beautiful nature, seeing how beautiful life people has. Simple, beautiful life. You know, it makes me wonder if they're happier than we are. You have to see this. Yes.
YouTube. I change the language for you first. Good weather, no? Stay
Yeah. Very good weather, but it's the first one there.
Okay.
But it's so hot. You know, when I have the jacket.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Stefan.
Yes.
See you. Bye bye.
See you. Maybe 2 weeks this video will be out.
Okay, I looking. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
What the end of this trip? The end.
Yeah, the NDC Bangkok. I live in Bangkok.
All right.
So,
You live in Bangkok or you working?
no, I'm not working. I'm just doing YouTube and yeah.
I have a good friend from Norway. Is living on the beach.
Yeah,
He come every year too. 6 months coming.
yeah. I'm here a little more. Maybe I'm here 8 months every year. So, yeah, but you know, at some point I want to create a business here so I can stay, and then I'm not going back.
Try the Thai white here.
Maybe. I think, you know, maybe the Thai wife may be a little crazy. I don't know.
Everybody.
Yeah. No, it's a joke. Yeah, but you know, I'm traveling so much, so at some point I will meet someone maybe like this,
Yeah,
and I will stay.
You like the quiet, man.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
See you. I remember.
Yeah. Yeah, not a lot of people come with all camera everywhere.
I remember the color of your bike.
Yeah. I don't like the color, but I'm gonna change it when I come back to Bangkok.
Again.
Yeah.
What color you like?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe all black with metal, you know. I think it could be cool. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Okay.
Enjoy.
You too, man. Chom Lai Seaside. Man, there's such amazing places on this road. I wish I don't know, like, if I didn't have any time schedule, if I didn't have any plan, I would just stop everywhere, you know. But wow, it's a beautiful forest here. It's like huge trees. And you can feel the cool breeze coming in. Coming up to the beach road here. Oh, nice. Yeah, you can see the water is much deeper here than the previous beach. I wonder how much contact with the world that people living like this has. Wow, man, check out the bungalows and the nice places around here. Totally empty beach. This is a perfect place, like if you come with a girlfriend or something, you want to escape a couple of days, just have a nice romantic getaway. This is the perfect place. Yeah, let's see if I can find a hotel around here. Oof, check those places out. Oh, the tents, they're like igloos. It's like glamping. Wow, it has a pool and everything. 1D resort. Oh, this is nice. Small bungalows. Sawadee krap. You have room?
Yes. How many nights?
Just one night.
Oh, anyone? We have this one.
Yeah.
For air condition, 800 baht.
800?
Yes.
Okay, we take that.
You would like to look?
It's okay. I just need to sleep. I'm tired and drive motorbike. So. All right, check this out. Beautiful little like seating area outside, and a little like kitchenette or what you call it outside here. Really nice. Oh, got some coffee, little TV, not that I'm gonna use it, but super clean. Let's check the bed. I think it's okay. Oh, the pillows are amazing. If the pillows are amazing, then you're good. Nice clean bathroom. Smells good. There's soap and everything, shampoo. And this is nice. When I saw the kitchenette outside, I was thinking, oh, there's no bathroom here. Clean, nice, I'm gonna sleep good here. Little kettle here on the side. It's aircon and fan. Not that I'm gonna use any of them. Well, the fan probably, but she even brought me a little plate of fruit. Some mangoes. I think it's, I don't know, guava or something. Melon. And then watermelon. And shh, don't tell anyone, but I really don't eat watermelon or mango or anything. I love pineapple, but oh, actually that mango was freaking good. I prefer my fruit cold, but this was really good. Usually the mangoes here, you know, they're so ripe that they're super sweet, and I don't. This one was perfect. Like sour, sweet. Yeah. And this one, I'm not sure what it's called. If it's guava or something. Ugh, no. Ugh, that's terrible. No, thank you. Watermelon, I know. I don't like. Oh man, this is so nice. It's walking distance to the beach though. It's 8 minutes walking. It felt like today was much better. Shorter ride, you know. I should do more like this. Feels like I'm in Copenhagen here. It looks exactly the same. Another really sweet gesture. Got a coconut. Don't tell anyone. I don't like coconut water either. Let's try this. Oh, it was really sweet. Nice. She told me that this coconut is from the trees here. So they picked them themselves. The neighbor picked them. And the mango was actually from their own tree, right in front of the bungalow here. So they really spent some time doing stuff here. Like it. Like they have all this handmade weird stuff, like this wind. It looks like someone has a lot of time on their hands. What is this? Yeah, it's beautiful out here. That's cool. Hello, Sawadee Krap. So nice place. I love it. There is some land sold here just in front of the beach, and there's like cozy restaurants and places just along the whole street here. This place would actually be a perfect place to build your own little summer kind of place. Even live here, it would be freaking amazing, you know. But imagine having like a 2-story house here with the whole front, like with glass, like front wall, with a big patio outside on the roof. You would have the whole view of the sea here, and that would be freaking amazing. And then on the back side here, you could also have like the whole backside of the wall. You can also have like a little patio. The best workouts is always done in the smallest rural places with like the minimal equipment, just like basic rusty small like iron equipment. I only had like 45 minutes to finish, so man, great workout. was a little car wash right outside the gym here. Let's wash a little dirt away. Beautiful, man. That is amazingly clean. It's full moon today, so you can see like it's like diamonds on the sea. Like the waves and everything is kind of like glittering on the moonlight. It had been a long day. One of those days where you expect nothing and somehow find everything. Ending the evening here just felt right. Well deserved. Some well-earned food after a long ride. Then back to the bungalow to get a little work done. And maybe even enjoy a cold beer before calling it a night. Let's see what I have here. Looks good. Look at this. That's a feast. That's really good. Okay, much better, much better. So this is where I end my day. So okay, I'm not gonna bore you anymore with this. See you tomorrow morning for new adventures, and good night. Have a nice one. Ciao.